Yes, welcome guys to Drivers for Europe. Here we have this bootcamp which has helped me a lot to gain some of things which I did new. For example, on my side, as you can see, mimi hapa unakuja nikafanyiwa high test ya macho, reaction to the digital, reaction pale, reading test, hearing test, used this one kusikiza masikio, kusikiza, nikakuwa niko sawa. Driving backwards while you are using your mirror on your vehicle. Even tukatembea 20 kilometers walk. 20 kilometers, which was not a joke. Yes. The body fitness, as you can see, I myself, I'm a gentleman. I was there with a trainer today. Then there is this high cobra, ile test. Wewe driver ukija, mambo ya kamnyeso, pombe, hiyo kwanza wacha, hold it. Driving simulator in the room there, it was very nice, and it is as same as the real track there inside. It is as the real track there inside. So you be prepared, you relax, ufanye mambo yako kwa utaratibu. There is this hazard perception, digital Kenyan highway quiz questions. There in German we have those highway codes, which you have to learn, and they stick on your mind. Lazima usome kila kitu uelewe. Kule Ujerumani sheria ufuatwa, si kama Kenya. Kenya unajua mmezoea kama 50-50. In German we don't do like that. Then technical questions. Unaulizwa maswali kulingana na venye umeulizwa tu unayajibu kwa utaratibu. Then this bootcamp can help you a lot if you concentrate on it. Kindly guys, just adhere to it, and mambo itakuwa sawa. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello guys, kwa majina naitwa David. Today I'm very much happy. As you can see, I'm heading to airport right now. I'm just saying hi to my fellow friends here while I'm living in Kenya. Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're good, eh?
Good.
I'm also good.
Okay.
I'm very much happy. Then we shall meet next time, mate. Okay.
Nice journey.
Thank you. Winnie, how are you? You good? I'm very much happy, my dear.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Just allow me. Then I go there. We shall be talking. Bye. Okay.
See you.
Hi. I'm very much happy. As you can see, next thing, German material.
Hello, David.
Yes, how are you, Ni?
We are good. How are you?
I'm good.
Welcome.
Yes, I think you can tell these Drivers for Europe, who are you, which department you normally play.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi. Of course, Munanijua, I'm Elisha, responsible for the interviews.
Yes, I'm Eunice. I know mnanijua nyi wote wenye mmekuja for interview, but I'm responsible for bootcamp. Karibuni nyote.
Sisi tuko poa, ni venye tu niko na furaha mingi na safiri mpaka airport. Mimi next tutapatana tu Germany. I'm a German material, as you can see. Yeah.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
So, meine Freunde in Deutschland, hinter uns die Fahrer, die jetzt in einer Stunde fast schon im Flieger nach Frankfurt sitzen. Ja, und die Stimmung ist gut, wie immer bei uns.
If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Thank you my friend.
Finally, now is the D-Day. As you see, we are at the international departures. We have our 6 champions here. They look very ready to conquer the cold in the aeroplane. So how do you feel, David?
I'm very much happy. As you can see, wherever I am, we were just talking and talking. Right now, you can see wherever I am. Next, utaniona German.
Next is in Frankfurt.
Again?
Time there. Empty.
If you don't want to go, if you don't want to go.
Ah, it has 10.